all my lovelies. This is Hema from Shivani Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's going to be new today in Shivani Boutique are these wonderful cotton salwar materials. These are all office wears, casual wears, and right from morning till evening. Throughout the day you can wear this, and it's skin friendly as well. Maintenance is little easy for whatever stuff which I am going to show today. Let's start the show. The first product is this, the same thing which I am wearing. It's a plain cotton top. Alright, you can see this top with a neck work on it, and this is the same dupatta which I am wearing, and then this is the pant for this. And then the second one is this. So all has top and dupatta, some has only dupattas. And if you have any queries, WhatsApp us 9585501762, or else you can directly purchase all these materials online, www.shivaniboutique.com, under the heading cotton salwar materials. And these are all value added, and this is the dupatta for this. Alright, nice fine cotton stuff this is, and it's very lightweight as well. So yeah, the next one is this. See this, so nice. And inside this you don't need a lining because the fabric is really thick, and these are all real mirrors. And this is the top for this, and this is a shaded cotton, all are soft cotton dupattas. Alright, and you have these value added things as well. And in this dupatta, it's a tie and dye concept where you can find minute things here and there, which is not a complaint. Alright, and then the next one is this. So all are with nice unique concepts. So however you wanted to stitch this, you can stitch according to your taste and preference. And see this, it's a central panel thing, and these are all kata works with mirrors, and these are all real mirrors you can find over here. And this is the printed pant for this, and once again it's a cotton dupatta for this. And then the next one all comes with the black matching, nice ones. These are all best for our Indian climatic condition and skin friendly as well. See, the block prints are really good, gumty prints these are all. And this is the pant for this, and once again it's a nice simple cotton soft cotton dupatta where some values are added in this. You can find these value added things. And then the next one is a deep indigo blue color matching with a contrast matching bottom and dupatta. See this. So these are all abla works, not real ones, but still it looks so beautiful. And this is the contrast matching pant and value added pure cotton lightweight dupatta. Alright, and then the next one is the orange color in this. So I have got nice colors in this. Nice beautiful orange color, and this is the top, and this is the pant for this. Once again it has a shaded dupatta with value added things. And one more color in this is a deep maroon with this mustard yellow, and this is the pant and dupatta for this. Next, so next comes these two are see, I have got 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4 unique colors where the bottom and dupatta are one and the same for these ash color. Let me open this and show you guys. It's a leaf green color top. You can find the top. This is how it looks, and you can find nice machine embroidery on the top. And it's a printed floral pant, and then printed floral soft cotton dupatta. And these are all the nice color combinations which we have. Second color, peach with this color, and then blue with this color. 3 different colors. And what's next? See this nice vertical stripe cotton top material, and we have something to show as well. Let me see. Yes, see, this is a nice cotton top material. Yeah, and then we have got a pant for this, and it's a kota, super net kota patchwork dupatta. So these are all value added things. It looks so nice and elegant with this color combination. And then comes this. We have got only one piece in this. It's a nice yellow mustard color kind of, and this is the top for this, and this is the pant for this, and this comes with an amazing floral dupatta. See this, so nice and then beautiful thing. And then what's next? It's an indigo blue color hand block printed top material with a Kota Doria cotton dupatta. It's very nice and elegant, something nice and different. See this, how it looks beautiful on me. And this is the pant for this, and this comes with the Kota Doria dupatta. So nice and elegant. And then comes this, our all-time favorite. This is the block printed top, and it will not come with a pant. Okay, top, and then this is the dupatta for this. So these are all patchwork dupatta. There I have got different colors and different patchworks. See this, and see this as well. And these are the different prints with different dupattas, patchwork. All those are all are super duper hit. And this is also a patchwork. It's a nice cotton top with a patchwork. And then this is the pant for this. All right, and then dupatta is so brilliant in this. See this, nice and fine dupatta. This is how it is. All right, and then this is the top for this. Once again, it's all the same concept, only the colors and the prints are entirely different. And then this is the dupatta. Dupattas are all patchworked ones, so you can flaunt it this way. Yes, this is how it looks. So nice and beautiful. These are all, you can see the patchwork over here. This focus. And I have got one more color in this. It's a black with this combination. It's a contrast matching printed pant, and then this comes with the dupatta. All are same concept, only the colors changes. And then these are all gumty prints, which I'm about to show you guys. So this is the top for this. So this is the top for this, and you can find real mirrors over here. And this is the pant, and the dupatta is so sweet and amazing. Soft cotton value added patchwork dupatta. See how beautifully it is there. And these are all real mirrors. So a little bit of care has to be taken, because those real mirrors you cannot beat and wash it, and you have to take a little bit of care. Alright, and you can find nice patchwork. This is our entirely a new concept thing. Yeah, it got entangled. Let me show you over here. Yes, this is the hand block printed patchwork top, and then this is the pant for this, and this is the patchwork and kata work. All are with human touch. These are all handmade things. All right, and I've got nice colors in this. See the color, mustard yellow with this contrast matching, and then indigo blue with this contrast matching dupattas. All right, I have still more collections. Sit back, relax and enjoy the shoe. Once again, it's a Gandhi printed top. Yes, nice and fine, beautiful mirror works, original mirrors. And this is the pant for this, and it comes with a value added dupatta on either sides, and very lightweight as well. This is how the dupatta looks. And what's next? This is only the top with this dupatta. See this, only the top with dupatta. This comes with the mirrors, and the dupatta is the patchworked ones. Yes. And I have got two more pieces. where these two are similar designs but of different color combination. Let me open this and show you guys. It's a maroon color top. Lovely it is. And then this is the pant for this. And this is the dupatta for this. Alright. And then the other one shade is this. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed seeing our collections. For prices and product descriptions, log on to our website www.shivaniboutique.com, or else click the link above which we have mentioned in your video, or else 9585501762 is our WhatsApp number. You can we are at your service. Thank you so much for lots and lots of response all over the universe, and thank you so much. We'll meet you soon with lot more collections, and bye bye.